In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page from navigation on your Google site. If you've ever wondered how to simplify your site's navigation or maybe conceal a page temporarily, then you're in the right place. This guide is quick and straightforward, perfect for both beginners and those who are more experienced with Google sites. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Google site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Google Sites in your browser. Once you land on your Google Sites dashboard, you should see a list of all the websites you have created under your account. Select the site you are working on. This will take you to the site's editing interface, where you can manage all aspects of your site's design and content. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the right side of your screen and click on the Pages tab. This section allows you to manage the individual pages within your site. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages currently part of your website structure. Scroll through and find the page you'd like to hide from your site's navigation menu. Perhaps it's a page that's under construction or one that you want to keep away from the public view temporarily. Whatever your reason, the process is incredibly simple. Once you've identified the page you want to hide, look for the small 3 dots menu icon located next to that page's name. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Hide from Navigation. This action will remove the page from the primary navigation menu of your site, meaning visitors won't see it appear as they browse through your site links. This doesn't delete the page or remove it from your site. It simply tucks it away, maintaining your navigation menu's cleanliness and relevance. And that's it. You've successfully managed to hide a page from your Google Sites navigation menu in just a few clicks. It's a really handy feature when you want to streamline your site's appearance or focus visitor attention on key pages. Remember, you can always unhide the page by going back to the same menu and selecting Show in Navigation. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you'll have a smoother experience managing your Google site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.